Hey everyone, welcome back to the KevBot Workshop. I just wanted to give a little status update video. The plans for the tool organizer are now available for purchase. I have a link for them in the description down below. Thank you for your patience on this. I know a lot of you expressed interest in wanting to build one of these. I really took my time in making these plans to make sure that they were up to my standards and that I can use a template down the road for making more. I did make some changes from my personal organizer to benefit you guys. The main thing I did was using a lot less 3/4 inch plywood and using more 1/2 inch plywood. The drawers were originally 3/4 inch plywood and I cut that down to 1/2 inch plywood for a couple of reasons. A, this will help you save some money as you're building it, and B, it'll cut down on some of the weight. After I added my tools and things into this, it did become quite heavy, though I'm still able to move it around. I do intend to release more plans in the future, some of them coming at a cost, while others I will offer up for free. These plans come with a full cut list including both imperial and metric measurements, as well as a full step-by-step instructions on how to assemble. If you are making one of these, I do suggest watching the video again, as I give a lot of tips and tricks on how to build this. One last thing, thank you for all the love and support, not just with this project, but with the rest of my channel. We've seen a lot of growth in the KevBot community, so welcome to all you new subscribers. My shop is now open for the season, so I have a lot more projects that I want to throw your guys' way, so keep an eye out for that content. One more time, thanks again. You can find the link to these plans in the description down below, and I'll see you guys next time in the KevBot Workshop.